Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 731 for Tuesday, June 20th, 2023. I have to start out by choosing a starter word. I have seen a lot of people use this word, C-R-A-N-E, crane. I personally do not believe that is a great starter word, and let me tell you why. It only has two vowels. It has a C, an R, and an N, which of course are consonants. They're not the most common consonants. I mean, the R is, the C really is not, the N is okay. But there is a word I prefer much more than crane, and that word is R-A-I-S-E, raise. So let's go ahead and see what happens when I use raise as my starter word. And I actually have two letters, the S and the R. The R is not in the correct place, and the S is. However, I do not have a vowel. So the remaining three vowels are O, U, and sometimes Y. So the question is, should I use a word that has those three vowels, or should I try to figure out what the word is right now using an O or U or a Y in the word as well? So I think that's what I'm going to do. So let me try that. I'm going to try something like this. T-R-O-S. There's really not any word that I can think that would complete this sequence of letters. So I'm going to go back. T-R-U-S. Of course, if I put a T, that would be trust. T-R-U-S-T. If I were to use this word, it would go ahead and let me know if the R is in the correct place and if there is a U in the word. Now, there's also a possibility that the last letter could be Y. S-Y is a very common combination of letters. So if I go back here and I do tryst instead of trust, I think that might be a better option. I like this. So let me go ahead and press enter and see if the Y is the vowel or one of the vowels that is in the word and if the R is in the correct place. All right, that's really good. So T-R blank S-T X-R X-S-T. The first word that jumps out to me is crust, because the vowel in the middle should be either an O or a U, so C-R-U-S-T. The R is in the correct place, the S is in the correct place, the T is in the correct place. I'm pretty sure that is a U in the middle. Please be it. Oh, it's not. Wow, I thought I had it. So now what I know is that the vowel in the middle is an O. So X-R-O-S-T. The word is frost. It's gotta be frost. There's no other word that will work, I don't believe. So let me go ahead and hit enter. And I got it in 4 tries. Not a bad job. It did not take me very long to get there. And I could have maybe got it in 3. I could have maybe got it in 2 if I would have chosen the O to go in the middle instead of the Y or the U. But I got it in 4 tries, so I am happy with that. And as you can see, my starter word raised worked really well. And again, I got it in 4. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.